In this episode we will show you on the low-calorie vegetarian recipes. Maybe an individual would have preferred a vegetarian standard of living for the reason that they wish to drop weight and require a low-calorie vegan approach to aid them in their weight loss objectives. The excellent news is that merely by changing over to meat-free eating, one would be ingesting low calories. The unrevealed aspect of preparing healthy vegan recipes is to remove the additional flab that makes meals filling. Initially, when a person is preparing low-fat vegan recipes, people will want to avoid the use of too much oil. An individual can, yet use the superior quality additional virgin olive oil for tastings and salads. EVU has less caloric value and gives some of the beneficial fats that our body need. Discourage fried foods while you are preparing vegetarian recipes which are less in caloric value. Even if one does use the added virgin olive oil for frying, in spite of this, fried foods characteristically have higher calories, so one should shun fried foods as much as feasible. Steam the vegetables as an alternative and refrain from boiling them. Boiling will deplete the significant nutrients. Grill vegetables for some change. You can also apply a no-calorie or light cooking spray to provide them some wetness or even scatter on a little watery lemon juice. If one's diet permits them to eat seafood, boil fish in spite of frying it. It is advisable to grill the fish since grilling is an immense mode to add taste and distinctiveness to their foods. Spices are main ingredients that can bring a vast change and provide a low-fat vegetarian recipe that is enjoyable and yummy. A lot of recipes of low-calorie vegetarian dishes can be found online. An individual can also purchase vegetarian cookery books with low-fat recipes in them. A more practical and an effortless method for making low-calorie vegetarian recipes is to just alter usual recipes by using healthy replacements like diet cheeses or replacing plain yogurt for vinegary cream. If an individual is creative, they will be amazed to discover that you can discover plenty of healthy vegetarian recipes and able to utilize these recipes into one's diet that will balance their weight loss targets. All a person requires is a little learning into where one can make replacements that will turn high-calorie foods into light foods with a small amount of variation and numerous thoughts. Embrace low-calorie vegan recipes into your daily diet plan and become conscious that you can consume tasty foods while sustaining your meatless standard of living. On our next video we will talk about vegan-vegetarian. If this video has helped you, don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are helping you live a healthier life.